Happy Sunday, everyone. We're going out for lunch. Look at the weather. A bit cloudy, but there is a sun and still chilly outside. And
Still lining up there.
oh, yeah, there's a lot of people lining to buy something for lunch and serve us. It's a bakery, and this is going to town, and also you can go to that McDonald's. So we're going to McDonald's. So there's a lot of people outside eating. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, this is my dessert. After lunch here, we're eating inside the car. Look at it. Your husband. Yeah, this is outside McDonald's. Because inside is not allowed. And we have to wear mask. And on the outside there, but there's a lot of people. So my husband decided to eat here outside. With caramel. Well, this is nice. It's only once in every Sunday, to go out. And this is the side of McDonald's here, not far from us. My husband is enjoying it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.